Alright, so I just added a new bushing to the cam gear because the other one got messed up, and using a bunch of different stuff to get it where we need to go. Progress. I am finished with the mill right here, and it is actually looking pretty good. You can see the step that I milled in. Nice and centered and concentric. We saw this flush factory hole in the backside right here, but that won't be used. Essentially, what we're going to be doing is taking this bad boy right here, we're going to drop it in, and it will fit perfectly. I'm going to spray a little bit of brake clean in here, clean it out, clean off this guy, and we'll be putting it on. Alright, so I'm here. I'm actually going to be starting the process of swapping this cam out. Unfortunately, you can see there's actually a scratch right here, and it goes a little bit deeper. I think on the other side there might be a little bit more, but also the actual rocker is pretty scratched as well. So I don't want to trash this. It can possibly be reground pretty close, so we're gonna be swapping this out. I have a Schneider performance cam, which is gonna be an upgrade anyway, and we're gonna be doing the valve springs for heavier valve springs, higher RPM, and also I've got the really nice CNC billet rocker arms, so that'll be a big upgrade as well. So we're gonna be doing all this, and also we can have the adjustable cam gear as well. So I got this oiler bar that's attached right here, gets fed, goes out this way. You can see that second hole right here. Right here, there is no second hole. Right here does have a second hole. Or this might have a second hole, and we just block it. Yeah. I've got this really nice tray I found somewhere. I don't know how I got it, but it is really good for a 6-cylinder car. So we can actually keep this fairly organized. So I think the first thing might be undoing the cam bolt, and I'll take these down. We might leave those in, but I do want to maybe retorque these or lubricate them, seal them somehow, just to check on them, because if you look back at my videos, I have a snapped bolt right there, and we're trying to do everything right. You can see the EGT sensors really well right here. You can see how they're all in a line. This one's got an angle to it because of the thermostat. They're all really even. And then also right here is the mass air pressure readings, and you can see the nylon on the right is right next to that idle adjustment for the fuel. So it runs down that runner into the cylinder, and I have the temperature sensors right there, but you can see I have another sensor plug right here to the radiator, and I have some more right here, and we'll be able to get a lot of temperature sensor readings. And then we have the two O2s, the map sensor, and in the mail I have a throttle position sensor that is going to be attached right there. It is getting pretty tight, but it will be right there, and we'll have the sensor wire probably running up here to this bundle, and we'll be using a Raspberry Pi to run all this. It won't really do anything, but it will have data logging with warning screens, so I can manually shut down the car. But it will be great for tuning. So I think I totally guessed on this socket. It's actually a 7/8 socket, but let's see if it fits. Nope, too big. Well, I'm gonna get working on this. And Schneider 270/80F 12, and it is number 17034I. This is for fuel injection. Now this is the newly cleaned out hole for the dowel, and I actually just got this in the mail. So we're going to be putting this in with a little bit of help from this hammer, and we're going to be able to finally install this. So I already pulled the old cam a couple days ago. Thinking this more rounded part facing outwards. All right. Might not be possible, but we'll see. Yes, buddy. One more. No more candy, buddy. Pretty much installed to me. Huh? You want more candy? I don't know. No. Alright, so I got the car out today, working on it, and she's been in wintertime mode. So we've actually got two different choices of fuel pump. One for a mega steel, and also got this Holly as well for a great deal. I bought them both at the same time. We'll see which one we want to use. We actually also have more as the Evil Energy PTFE line. And we also have a lot of fittings for that as well. A couple more than these. So that's going to go with this, running a better fuel return system, because actually, if you're looking past my 3D printed corners, we have a leak of the fuel system. So we need to fix that, and we'll fix the return line at the same time. You hear this? See these speakers? You hear the distortion, and then unhooked bass with matching amp. So it's a Boss system, not loud at all. Sony Explode and Sony Explode amp. So we're gonna be getting this taken care of. This is a wire kit, and so we have all this right here, and this is the supposedly $500 500 watt amp, which I very much doubt if this is 600. They'll be working in tandem. That'll be the receiver, and Sony Explode will give us that power without the distortion. And we've got everything coming together. We got the carpet. Laid out right here. This is from this car, and actually I have a new carpet. So this is the heat shield, intake blower, other seat. This is going to be the new carpet for the interior of the car. Probably, if I can make it happen, interior for that car as well. But I might just have this as the full-time carpet for here and go all the way around. And then we might swap out the rear hatch for the one above my rafter, my garage door. See that? It's actually got a wing on it, just like the one over here, but without the lip. So it'll be faster and lighter.